Today, we're diving into a legend, the Honda CB750 Four K1, a machine that changed the face of motorcycling forever. Let's explore what made this bike a revolutionary force in the 1970s and why it remains a collector's dream. Launched in 1969 and refined as the K1 in 1971, the Honda CB754 wasn't just another motorcycle, it was a technological leap. It was the first production bike to feature a transverse inline-four engine, a layout previously reserved for expensive European machines. Paired with an electric start and a front disc brake, it brought superbike performance to the masses. The K1 came with a 736cc SOHC inline-four that delivered around 67 horsepower, reaching top speeds of 120 mm/h. Smooth, reliable and easy to ride, it marked Honda's commitment to quality engineering. The 4x4 exhaust system didn't just sound good, it became a visual signature of the CB750 series. The CB750 Four K1 featured slight design tweaks from the original model. The side covers were reshaped and the fuel tank had new graphics. Honda's goal was clear: improve the look without messing with the winning formula. The overall build was solid, comfortable for long rides, and surprisingly modern even by today's standards. The CB750 K1 didn't just win over riders, it redefined the motorcycle industry. It introduced a new era of performance bikes that were both powerful and affordable. This bike essentially gave birth to the superbike category and forced European manufacturers to rethink their strategies. More than 5 decades later, the CB750 Four K1 remains a highly respected machine. It's a prized possession for collectors and a piece of motorcycle history that still turns heads. Its influence lives on in almost every modern sport bike. The Honda CB750 Four K1 wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a movement. At Bike Review Max, we salute this engineering marvel that made motorcycling faster, safer, and more accessible to the world. If you're a fan of classics, this one deserves a spot on your list.